Hello and welcome to my shop. It is going to be a bit special because I bought these on Marketplace for, I don't know, a good price I guess. So all of this here is I think if I remember right, $130 or something. So there are wood planes. There is a number 7 Stanley distant back saw, marking gauges. So what we can do is check out those tools together and see if I purchase good stuff or if they are worth throwing into the bin. That was rough pictures when I bought them, so I couldn't see very well, and for the price I said, no, I'll make a good video out of this, and if it's worthless, it's worthless. But hopefully, just because of this video of looking at those tools together and see if they're worth doing anything with, that'd be interesting. So here we are. Let's look at the tools closer and see what we can figure out. I've never seen those tools before. I'm a rookie in all hand tools, and I've never restored anything like this either. So we'll see what we can come up with. So hopefully we'll enjoy the process. So let's do that. So let's see what we have. We have blades, rusty blades with a chip breaker. I don't see, oh, there's something here. Husky, I can see USKY tool. Let's see if we can put some I can clean this thing here. There is a letter before the Husky, but there doesn't seem to be an H. No, looks like there are more than one. Just can't figure out what it is. This hatch in there. I want to take some sandpaper. Maybe we'll take some sandpaper. Got some 220 grade here. See what. Something steel. There's something, but I can't figure out what it is. I can't get it. NDUSKY, Industry Tools. There's a letter in front of the N. I don't know what it is. Maybe an A. Industry Tool Company. And then there's RANTED. It looks like wanted, but it's not. And this one is steel. I don't know. It's too much peat. If one of you knows Industry Tools Company, trended steel. I don't know. I don't even know if it goes onto any particular plane or something, so I don't know. Guess we'll figure out later. The next one, there's another blade, unsymmetrical ears, lots of pounding on here. There's no chip breaker. There is something in the back here. I don't know what it says either. Starts with a T, New York, USA. But I don't know. Let's try. Do the same thing. See if we can cover more. This Auburn, New York, USA. But no clue. Maybe you guys know. I have no clue. Let's see this one. This one goes with a chip breaker. I don't have a chip breaker. Lots of pounding here. Lots of rust. I can see there is a brand here, I guess, but it's too rusty. I can see. Let's try with sandpaper. Let's see. Can't see anything. I thought there was something written, but oh, maybe in here. You try the other side. Yeah, there's something on this side. In here. Something tool and then warranted. I don't know if you can see anything. Ohio? Don't know. Ohio Tool Co. Warranted. Maybe, I don't know. And then we have this. This is trash. But maybe it could be used as a pattern for a plane if one day I decide to make one. I don't know. This is really trash. All the side is gone, the chip breaker's gone, the blade's gone, it's cracked. So not much I can do, I don't think, with this. Just to see, just for giggles. It is 8 1/4 by 2 1/2, and it was like a 2-inch blade or something, maybe a bit bigger. I don't know what I can do with that. I don't think I can do anything. Most likely trash. But here's the little brother, which was also with this. So if you look at this, we're about almost the same. Almost the same, but this one has more. It's got the top part here. I forgot the name of this thing. Let me look it up. Okay, this is the wedge, but missing one side. It's got some poop in it or something, I don't know. So it's missing one side, but with this side, if I do a symmetry from the middle plane, I should be able to make another one. So it's not 100% useless, but it is done. The plane here, I don't know, it's in bad shape. There's no blade. There's a groove for a chip breaker. The mouth is in terrible shape, it's cracked. I guess it's missing a piece here too. Terrible shape here. I don't know, I think this one is done too, unless you guys can tell me it's not done, but I guess something like this I can also use as a pattern. It's like 8 inches by 2 1/2 by 2 1/2. I'm guessing it's also a 2-inch blade. I don't know if it's worth restoring at all. I don't even have blades. I'm guessing you can get blades for this stuff, but I'm guessing this is original to this plane. I don't know. I really don't know what that is. I think this is maybe decoration and pattern, maybe for making one in the future, but I don't think it's worth restoring. You guys tell me in the comments if you think I'm wrong and it would be restorable. If you've done that before, just let me know. I've never done this, I don't know. The next one is this one. So it is 16 inches long, 3 inches wide, 2.5 inches tall. Obviously the tote is gone, button's still here. There is still the wedge. It's a bit, it's not like this one, which is crisp, but this one is it's not symmetrical, by the way. But it's in decent shape. There is a blade in it. With a chip breaker or a back iron. Lots of pounding on this thing. I don't see any branding. Oh, maybe in here. Maybe in here, but I don't know. And it's cracked. The tote has been nailed here. It's cracked, but it's not in that bad of a shape, except the mouth here. The mouth has been chewed. I don't know if it's still usable or if a chewed up mouth like this or not, because what does the cutting is this, but you need to support the blade. I don't know. So maybe this one is worth doing something with. I have no idea. There's a room for a screw, and the wedge here goes in there. I'm guessing it's the right wedge. Yeah, this one might be worth doing something with. Make a new tote or something. What do you guys think? Is it worth doing anything with, or in decoration? I don't know. The next one is this one. So let's see. 16 1/8 by 3 by 3. This one doesn't have the iron. It doesn't have the wedge. The tote here, there's a screw in the back right here. Screw in the back. It's cracked. So you can move the wood. It's cracked all the way. The button is still here. It's been nailed here, guessing to make sure the tote doesn't come out. It's been cracked and nailed back in place right here. So this is very similar to that one. These two are very similar. So maybe I can make one out of the two. I don't know. Looks very similar in terms of design. Yeah. So maybe I take one of these two and make it one. So, or I have a pattern for the tote here. The mouth is also in bad shape. And it's so very cracked. I mean, I think it has been used. I don't know. Then we have this one. This one is 22 by 3 by 3, 22 inches long. It's got the button, you got the wedge, the blade, and a tote. The tote is very similar to a handsaw, which is interesting. There's a nail in here. It's cracked, but it's not too bad here. On the crack, maybe, I don't know, if we put wood glue on, or epoxy in these things. I don't know what restorers do. I need to do some research. It's not bad. This one has all the pieces. I don't know if it's usable or not, but it's got all the pieces. The wedge is in pretty good shape. I don't know if it's original, but it looks okay. And we got a blade here. I don't see. I think there's a brand on here, but can't tell. It's all pitted and stuff. I don't know. There is a brand right here, but I can't tell. So this one looks in fairly decent shape. I think we could do something with this. I don't know if it's possible to put it back in working condition, or just keep it on display, or we can at least use it as a pattern to make another one in the future. But this is a best looking one so far. Yeah, I don't know. Here's the tote, is not moving. I don't know, let me know. But why I bought this at the beginning was for this guy right here. The guy said it was a Stanley number 7, which was nice, but the picture was terrible. Send it to you. It is a number 7, but this is I'm guessing trash for multiple reasons. So first, the picture was like this, okay? And I saw the tote was broken. I barely saw that the lever cap here was broken. Let me turn it around. But that's not the worst thing, because I'm guessing you can find lever caps pretty readily, easily, and this the tote you can redo, and so with a knob. But what I didn't see, which makes me think this is totally useless now, is the crack right here. There is a crack that goes from the mouth all the way to the top. It is cracked all the way, and I didn't see that because he didn't put pictures on this. So I don't know. I'm not a good welder, but I can try to weld this. I've seen a couple videos online where people do that. I'm not sure I'm good enough to do that, and there is so much spitting on the thing that might not even be worth doing anything. But if you want to see that, just let me know in the comments, and we'll see. We'll try. But yeah, this is not going anywhere. The tote's broken. Might be a project or trash bucket. Tell me what you think about this. What should we do about this? Give me your thoughts, please. So that was the first lot. I think I paid $80 for this, based on a couple pictures where I couldn't see much. I just figured it would be interesting. And then a couple days later, came back to me and he said, I got more. Would you be interested? I said, why not? And based on this one right here, I think I paid $50 for this and all the marking gauges and stuff, which we're gonna see now. So this is a Diston. It's rusted, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's got all the teeth, all the screws are here. The handle is actually in pretty decent shape. I thought it would be a lot worse than that. It's got a couple cracks, but nothing major. So I was surprised with this. I think we can do something. We can do something with this. So we'll see. Diston back saw. According to this here, it's from the late 1800s. From 1871 to 1875, maybe. I'm not sure if you guys know exactly, if you can tell, just looking at it. But we need to do some research on this. But this is something we can work with. Then there is this. It says here, handmade, fully tested. Marples, Sheffield, England, spring steel guaranteed. It says Marple right here. It says maple right here. It's brass. Looks like rosewood. There's a little bit of dust, of rust, but it's not bad. I tested it quickly. It is very accurate. It's 45 degrees. All day long. So with this, I'm pretty sure we can also do something make it look better. Then there is this. It's rusted, it's blue. I said there's a sticker right here which is gone, but on the other marking gauges there seem to be the same logo, which shows Crown Tools, Sheffield, England. So this is the same, Crown Tools, Sheffield, England. Brass, rosewood again. It's missing a brass piece right here. But other than that, it looks good. So maybe you can put a piece of brass here and make it look good. So yeah, that's not bad. And then since we are talking about marking gauges, so this, you got, so Crown Tools, adjustable, the second mark here is adjustable with this knob right here. So you turn this screw and it moves out, which is good. And then it's adjustable here, obviously, and you can move it back and forth. Brass and rosewood also, it's in really good condition, just need a nice cleaning. And then there's another one, this one needs a cleaning too, also in decent condition. There's some black stuff to remove here, but not bad. Rosewood and brass. that looks decent too. And we have 3 other ones. So this one says made in England, also brass and rosewood. I don't know the brand of this thing, but it is also in fairly decent shape. I like this right here, the wedge in the blade. That's nice. So this we can clean up too. This one looks very old. The screw is a wooden screw. I don't want to touch it too much, but I'm afraid of breaking it. But I think this one will go on display because I'm guessing it's old, but it's old wood, so I don't want to use this one. Might clean it up, but I don't want to mess it up. Looks good, looks old. And finally there's this one. No brand. Well, there is a brand here. Something USA. It's missing something here. I'm guessing it's brass. It's gone. There's a screw for a pin here. It's the metal screw right here, which is stuck. Not much to say about this. I like the other ones much better. I don't know. Maybe this one will go in the bin or somewhere. I don't know. And then if we stay in the measuring marking, this is a square here, graduated in inches. There's brass here, there's brass there. I don't see any brand on that thing. There is something on the, oh, there might be something in the bottom. I don't know, there is something right down here, but I can't tell. I'll have to clean it. But with a bit of cleaning, I think this one could be looking good. I got more than one of these, I think it's going to be display. Then we have this gouge here. The guy put that in here. It's heavy duty for sure. All rusted, but the handle looks good. And there's a couple cracks, but it's not bad. I don't have a gouge that big, so maybe I'll clean it up too and use it for something. Still lots of good materials to use here. So I think that could be a good cleanup. And then we have this. So this is a screwdriver, a flathead. It says Yankee number 130A, North Bros Manufacturing Co., Pennsylvania, so Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. Patent DEC 1122, made in United States of America. Looks like in decent shape. I like the clicking. It locks. Okay, so it still works. You look at here. These turns. It's locked. Oh! Surprise! Huh. Surprising. Cool. So it goes back in. Here, you need some lubrication, but nice. Cool. There's a lock here. This is a lock here. If you unlock it, here you go. And lock it here. Lock in with this, and it stays in place. This is really cool. I like this. That's really nice. Really nice found. Pretty cool piece of technology for me. I love this. So this is gonna be a fun one to clean. Yeah, that's nice. I like this. So I think this is it. I think that's all I have here. So you have all the findings. So let me know what you think. What should we do about all of these or some of these, or let me know what you think. I'll catch you later on another one, and we'll see. We might take a couple of these and fix them. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you. I'll catch you later. Bye.